OnePlus has officially launched its latest 5G smartphone in the Nord series, the OnePlus Nord CE5, featuring advanced AI-powered capabilities. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord CE5 5G features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1430 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Apex chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the OnePlus Nord CE5 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's lite 600 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with Sony's IMX480 sensor. The device comes backed by a massive 7,100 mAh battery, with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Oxygen OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.6 by 76 by 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord CE5 5G has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in Nexus Blue, Infinity Black, and Marble Mist color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord CE5 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.